This video will show you how to update the SEO title and URL handle using Ablestar Bulk Product Editor. We'll open up the app and we'll just choose all the products here and go click to edit products. Then for field to edit, we'll choose the SEO meta title. We'll set the text to a new value, and for this we'll use a dynamic value, which will be the title of the product. So we add that here and we can see that the SEO meta title becomes this, and we see the old value here. Now we're also going to change the handles. So we'll go field to edit, we'll choose handle or URL. We want to create web redirects for the new handles, and we'll do the same thing here where we use the title as a dynamic value. So we see here that now the old handle for this product was that, the new one will get here, and then when we click on run edit, the app will go through, make all these changes and create the web redirects for us. If there's ever any issues with this, you can always cancel the edit if you need to, and undo it to roll back any of the changes.